Welcome back to the channel. What did we get ourselves into today? Today we're going to show you a little secret about a dishwasher that most people are unaware of, or nobody's taken the time to read the manual. Anyway, this is something that's overlooked by a lot of people. We're going to take a little quick look at the dishwasher. That's your handiest companion in the kitchen. So here we go. We'll take a look. Here we are. Here's a little dishwasher. And oh, what do we see in the bottom there? This is a funny little thing right here. We're just going to twist this to the left. Pull this out. Oh, look at this. It's actually a filter. And oh, there's a white chunk of something in there, and there's certainly something on the outside. People have to remember once in a while to clear out the filter in the bottom of their dishwasher. It's designed to catch the larger items that want to flow through and clog up your pipes. So if you find this useful and a little funny, please press subscribe and like, and we'll see you next time.